Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, and that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But what an absolutely monster movement today. The first 30 minutes, you can see right there, price got the break of that resistance. And, and to use technical jargon, that is where the pattern breakout happened. And with that, got plenty of continuation. So much so that I'm just getting rid of both these levels. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant at all. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. Point being, absolutely monster movement today. So let's first talk about areas of support. And one of the newest areas that I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 24 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 24, that doesn't mean the chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if somehow the price can actually manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this little consolidation area at 22. So 24, 22, two of the near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. I get it, the price is way up there. That line's way down there, but keyword being moving. So as Friday and the next week play out, that line's going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Having us visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing. And that is this right here. So as long as the price keeps on building these higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, so as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.